Stereotype, a widely held but fixed and oversimplified image or idea of a particular type of person or thing. Unfortunately, there are stereotypes for every race, unfair opinions about who someone might be based off the color of their skin. Recent events have put Mexicans and their stereotypes front and center, bringing confusion and anger towards not only immigrants, but also to those who aren't involved. With so much conversation about who should live in our country, people should be able to answer some true or false questions. How much does the common person know about immigration?
Wait, this is supposed to be true?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be false. Illegal immigrants pay taxes, but they don't receive benefits. If you're paying taxes like income and Social Security and all these other taxes, then you are paying into the system. But if you are not a legal immigrant, then you cannot apply for food stamps, you cannot apply for public housing, you cannot apply for any sort of public or government assistance.
Well, number one, it's like I was an illegal immigrant, so when I paid taxes and I didn't receive benefits, so.
The first one, because we pretty much all pay taxes for whether it's food, clothes, all that. But of course, if they're here working illegally, then they're not getting any of the benefits as far as work-wise goes.
Undocumented immigrants bring crime into the country. That is absolutely not true. There is the same amount of crime in any other country. If anything, these people are willing to work more for their families than most people, so they're willing to do it the right way. It doesn't help your family in another country if you're in jail, obviously.
My case, and I didn't bring crime either. Crime is everywhere.
For the second one, I mean, in general, I don't feel that everybody as a whole brings crime. I mean, there's of course certain individuals that, but that goes to say whether you're undocumented or not. So.
3, it is easier to enter America today. That is absolutely not true. You used to just be able to come over on a boat, jump off, and then they're like, boom, you're an American. How would you like to go fight for the country?
For the third one, I'm not really sure, but it's hard to come here, but I think it's the same.
Number 3, definitely false. There's a lot more restrictions now. I think as the years progress, even it just keeps getting harder and harder for people to come to the States.
4, illegal immigrants boost America's economy. You have more people in the workforce who are willing to do a lot more. I don't know about you, but I would not want to pick strawberries for $1 an hour. Other people will. Unfortunately, people here want food at a cheap price, so that is the only way it's going to happen.
The fourth one for sure, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I think anybody that's here working, whether legally or not, is helping.
So I wanted to ask you these because these are like a lot of misconceptions that illegal immigrants get. So illegal immigrants do in fact pay taxes, but they don't receive any benefits. They actually pay as a whole group $13 billion,
right?
And the only actual benefits, so you could call it, is school and emergency care, which is something we should all have.
Absolutely.
The second one, undocumented brings crime into the country. That's also false. Yeah. So actually, from 1999 to 2006, the states with the lowest crime rates in the USA. They actually had the highest immigration growth. So that means that while the crime was going down, the immigrants were actually going up in those exact states. What is not true and what is true about the stereotypes of immigrants that you've heard, like some stereotypes that you've heard?
Well, it's not true that all immigrants are bad. It's not true that everybody comes here just to use the government. It is true that there is some that do, that they come and they abuse the system when they really have no rights to do it.
Porque ellos vienen a trabajar lo que los americanos no quieren hacer. O sea, trabajos en el campo, o sea, piscando fresa, verdura, todo. y los americanos no quieren hacer, que ellos vienen a trabajar para poder mandarles dinero a sus familias. Pues son buenas preguntas para dar un mensaje a las personas que piensan eso de los mexicanos.
I love social problems.
Yeah.